Well, hi everyone, welcome to this week's TOOP TV. If you fancy a glass of wine, perhaps you'd consider buying your own vineyard. Well, stay tuned because we'll be going to the ultimate wine lovers property in Charleston later in the show. Also, we have the latest in real estate news, our live in-studio guest, and of course our weekly market update. See which homes have sold this week in our Going, Going, Gone segment. And of course this week we're mixing it up a little bit. We've got our live poll going. If you've got anything to say about how the real estate market's been progressing, be sure to vote on the side of the screen. And of course, if you have any real estate questions, roll them in, we'll answer them at the end of the show. Well, we have our Blankets on the Move drive happening tomorrow night. Keep an eye out for that at King William Road office. TOOP+TOOP, my colleague, will be in his ute buzzing around collecting blankets. It's a great initiative to help with Hutt Street's, moving charity along through the cooler and winter months. So keep an eye out for that. There'll be soup at the office from 5 o'clock, so feel free to pop in and we'd love to see you drop a blanket in. And coming up on the show, I'll be chatting with our guest about the stamp duty changes over the last couple of weeks and how they might affect your purchase of real estate. And now on our inside story, why buying units is safer than houses.
For those looking to make their first purchase in the property market, have you ever considered buying a unit? Recent statistics from RP data show the advantages of buying a unit over a detached house. Unit values are going up, where over the month of May, capital city unit prices increased by 1%, while house values fell by 1.8%. They are more resilient to current market conditions, as while unit values fell over the past year by 1.5%, detached house prices fell substantially more by 5.8%. Their prices increase at a faster rate, where over the past 5 years, capital city unit values increased by 4.2%, compared to detached house values growing by over 2.5% each year. Units are much more affordable to buy, where the Adelaide median price is $68,000 cheaper than that of the median house price. From an investment perspective, rental yields are typically stronger for units than they are for houses. Over the years, living in units has become more acceptable as they are resilient to value falls, are more affordable, and are located closer to amenities, including transport and infrastructure. RP Data's senior research analyst Cameron Cusher believes the popularity of unit living will only continue to grow as buyers become increasingly conscious of location and cost.